Welcome to our Kotlin programming course. In this lesson, we will explore the fundamental concept of variables. So if you come over here and if you see under variables, there are two folders. Go to the src, then main, then in this Kotlin file, you will get a main.kt file. Okay, just go over there. Now I'm going to explain what variables are actually. So variables are like labeled boxes that store information. They have a name, type and value. For instance, in Kotlin, you declare a variable something like this. So we have var age, int age is suppose 25. Okay, so this is basically, this is the name of the variable, this is the type of the variable, and this is the value of the variable. Okay, now there are several types of variables. Suppose integer value is there, so this is an integer value. For integer we are using int. Okay, now there is a double value that contains the floating values, so it could be something like var weight double is equal to, suppose weight is 65.5, something like this. Then we have a boolean value. Suppose var is student boolean bwo boolean is equals to false. Now string value is also the string type of variable, so string name, string Karthik. That's it. Now if you see, I'm using a var over here. Okay, so this is basically called the mutable variables, which you can change it. Okay, so if I'm suppose writing something as var is there, right, and if I suppose want to change the age, so I could change the age as well, so 26 suppose. Okay, so if I'm using var, that means I could change the value. Okay, now suppose in case I'm using val stands for immutable values. Okay, and if I'm assigning any integer as val, then I can't change it, so it's showing red over here. Okay, so this is one more advantage of Kotlin over Java. We could use var and val, and we could basically explicitly declare it what sort of a variable it is, whether it could be changed or not. We could do it. Okay, so like mutable variables where var is used are declared using the var keyword. This means that their values can be reassigned or modified after the initial assignment. And while the immutable values are declared using the val keyword, once assigned, the values cannot be changed. They are read only. Okay, great. So what sort of a value does val contains? Val could contain such as a pi value. Okay, a pi is basically a constant. Okay, so 3.14. So a pi value is constant, it couldn't be changed, so we are using val. But age, weight and all things we could change. That's the thing. Okay, now congratulations, you have learned the basics of Kotlin variables. They are essential for storing and managing data in your programs. Practice using different types and experiment with reassigning values. Happy coding. Meet you in the next lecture. Thank you.